Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from credit card to bank account in Google Pay. Let's get started. Transferring money from your Google Pay credit card to a bank account, including an international one, is a very quick and easy process. For this guide, I'll show you the standard method for moving your Google Pay balance funds over to a linked bank account using the mobile app. Once you're inside the app, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or picture. When you click on your icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select your Google Pay balance. This will take you to a screen where you can see all the details about your available funds. On this balance details page, you will see an option to add a bank account. You need to click on this to link your international bank. When you click it, you will have to agree to Google's terms and conditions to proceed. Next, you will be presented with a list of supported banks. This is a very important step. You simply have to look for your specific international bank using the search function at the top of the screen. I need to make a clear disclaimer here. Only the banks listed in this official directory can receive funds directly from Google Pay. If you do not see your bank listed, it is unfortunately impossible to transfer money officially from Google Pay to that specific bank account using this integrated method. If you do see your bank here, select it from the list. You will then proceed to link the account, which may require you to log in using your online banking credentials or verify the account through a small test deposit, depending on your bank's integration. Once your international bank account is successfully added and verified, you can go back to the main Google Pay balance window. At the top of this screen, you will now see the Transfer Out option. Click on it. When you click Transfer Out, you will get a prompt asking you to indicate the specific amount of funds you wish to transfer from your Google Pay balance to your bank. Enter the desired amount and confirm the transfer. After confirming, the process is complete on your end. You will simply have to wait for some business days for the electronic transfer to be processed and for the money to appear in the bank account you selected. The time can vary based on the banks involved. And that is how you transfer money from Google Pay to an international bank account.